Mr. Lee got acupuncture treatments just so that he could share in the acupuncture experience with his wife.
As long as I'm still around, I'm healthy and I can move around, I will always take care of her. Yes. And I believe she needs me.
Mr. Lee initially came for acupuncture treatment, which was just because of his wife's health condition.
And every time when she comes here, she is always afraid of needles. So she is always complaining pain and making funny noise and all that. So one time I said, okay, I'll try to find out whether it is really painful or not.
He's very dedicating his everything to his wife. So he has that kind of emotion reaction, also feel the stomach, certain acid reflux. Also after eating, he feel a lot of bloating. Also he has blood pressure trouble. So that's why he came and tried to get help from acupuncture treatment.
But then ever since of her stroke, I would take care of her and the pressure is on me. I would do all the work in the house, everything, including my own personal work as well. That's why I'm getting nervous myself every now and then. Ever since I begin do my treatment here, I find myself getting much better and my high blood pressure has been improving as well.
The first, I started communication with him. That's the traditional way, a kind of the psychotherapy. But the traditional medicine called how to nicely deal with the patient's stress and listen to the patients, also let the patients to complaining, to talk, to share. So that can release the patient's emotion. Also for his case, I have to use called encouragement and called raise the energy based to let him to regulate his own the life schedule. And I recommend him to do the more exercise and in his daily life. So he started walking outdoor, do more activities. And he walking, enjoy the nature, even right now, 2-3 times a day. And then he feel the energy is back, emotions better, and come back to take care of his wife. Meanwhile, I suggest the certain acupuncture, the treatment, to calm down his emotion, regulate his digestion function, try to manage his blood pressure. And I also will give him the herbs to start to treat everything as well. You know, in traditional medicine, we know that's called the qi, the energy. The energy around the body, they're circulating. And circulating the cycles, matching the nature energy as well. So we do the acupuncture to regulate the qi. For example, he has anxiety, the mental energy is rising. So he has a lot of busy mind, concerning, overthinking, insomnia. Also trigger the energy rising, causing the blood pressure as well. So that's why we do the calming points we call. For example, on the top of the forehead, we have 224. Also with the back shu to regulate internal, the organ energy. Also we have the points on the leg to descend the qi, the energy downward. Also we made it, adjusted his herbs, the herbs to regulate his digestion and soothe the middle, we call the middle burner for digestion, to help his digestion power decrease that kind of tension, bloating. So that's our treatment.
Ever since I've been here, doing every year, we have been here, my wife and I, we have been here for almost 5 years already. And we are getting the treatment here and I'm seeing results for myself personally and my wife as well too. I could see and I could tell, that she's getting certain kind of improvement in certain way.
In the ancient time, the people, it's regulate the body energy, not just treat the body condition, we call the physical problems, but also we use the acupuncture, herbs, exercise, and regulate our mental energy, we call the shen qi, the mental energy. So we can manage many mental problems, including anxiety, depression, insomnia, oversensitivity, or very stress-based any type of mental reactions as well. Also, we can manage many bad mental disorders as well.